how to log in to accounts in Facebook. So if you want to log in to accounts in Facebook, then what you can do is you can go for the upper right corner, which has that three bar icon. Tap on that, and then here you can scroll down, and all the way down you will have log out option. Simply tap on log out, and then again log out, and it will log out of your account, right? So if you want to log into another account on Facebook, then here on the bottom you will have log into another account. You can simply choose that, and here again you have to enter your mobile number or your email address, and then you have to enter your password. And if you have forgotten your password, then you can go for forgotten password, and then you can reset or recover it. But if you have remembered your password, then simply enter the email address and the password of another account, and then tap on login. And that's it. That's how you log into the second account, or that's how you log into accounts on Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.